How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix your Logitech G29, the G920, and the G923 no force feedback on Windows 10 or 11. So the easiest way to fix this is to make sure that your Windows is updated. And then from there, we could try the following steps that I'm about to show you. So it's going to be a couple of steps, so make sure to follow along. So the first thing that you want to do is to uninstall the gaming software, and from there you then want to head over to the open search box and then just head over to the app data. So make sure to simply navigate through the add or remove programs as the first step, and then once again you could uninstall the Logitech gaming software right here. So just simply search for Logitech gaming software. Now in my case, I've already uninstalled it, so it's not showing up on the add or remove programs. Now after uninstalling, once again head over to run and then type app data. In here you want to simply find the Logitech folder in your app data right here. So to make things easier, you could simply just search for Logitech. Now once again, in my case, I've already deleted my Logitech folder right here, but most likely it's going to be inside these three folders. So just go ahead and look for it and make sure that it's actually deleted. Now from there, we also want to open the device manager. So right click on the actual start menu right here and then click device manager, and then head over to the sound, video, games, and controller. Once again, just make sure that the Logitech devices that you see right here is uninstalled. So right click on it, click on an uninstall device and disable device right here if you can. And from there, you should be good to go. And for the next step, we then have to get the latest Logitech gaming software, the updated one. And then after getting this software right here, we want to disconnect the wheel from the PC, and then we could just keep it disconnected. We could restart our computer, install the latest Logitech gaming software once again, and then restart the PC again, and then plug the wheel into a different USB port. So after doing a lot of these steps, your controller will more likely go ahead and get fixed. I know Logitech can be trouble time sometimes, but of course you have to go ahead and try this in order to fix it properly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.